Hundreds of people gathered for K-State's annual open house last Saturday for a day of entertainment, food, and fun. Channel 8 reporter Kyra Case has more with the story.
Kansas State's first open house was held in 1969 and has since become one of the most popular traditions at the university. People from all over come to learn more about campus, while students and faculty use it as an opportunity to share their work with anyone who's attending.
Yeah, I wanted to show people, like especially like a lot of people, they don't have really ideas or about the Middle East. Maybe their opinion or their ideas is really through the media, and it's the stereotype, and which we don't get fair publicity through the media. So I'm here to show that where the mankind started, and even in the Bible, it's where the humankind started, and it's in the south part of Iraq.
The union was a central hub for the event, with several student organizations providing demonstrations for those who are attending.
When it comes to the psychology department itself, we really value the mental health of all K-State students, whether they're psychology students or not, which is why we have those resources like CAPS at Lafine or the various hotlines that students can call in the middle of a crisis at, just ready to go. So that's a very big priority of our department here, and a message that we really like to spread to anybody that we can.
Although this event only lasted from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., attendees say the open house was a productive and fun day. In Manhattan, Kyra Case, Channel 8 News.
Students who missed the open house this year can visit K-State's website to view more events and community opportunities.